my gosh! Some
Ano
kind of
siya?
many movie covers, guys! Oh my gosh! Oh. Sana in-Atmos na lang, no? Feeling ko yung Atmos to bukas, pero this would be my time na.
Actually, minot down nga siya ngayon. Actually.
Na ano?
Minot down tong weapons natin dahil ang dami nagahan. Pero
Oo.
ginalagay sa Premier Cinema. Dapat nga nilagyan din ng Atmos.
Oo nga, diba? Feeling ko yung Atmos siya. Parang I feel like to, change my mind on May ano ba? May schedule ba for tomorrow?
First, check natin sir.
Kaya baka may Atmos? Hold on, guys.
For weapons, wala. Yun, may Atmos tayo
May
tomorrow,
Atmos.
sir.
Guys, I changed my mind. I'm gonna watch na lang tomorrow.
Yes.
Can I buy na lang the ticket for tomorrow?
Yes.
Pero, can I ask for discount? Oh my God, sorry. She gonna give me discount. Sis, can I your name?
Maricar po.
Maricar, thank you. This will be my second time, no? Hindi ka na.
Yes po.
So lucky. Guys, I'm gonna watch tomorrow nila kasi it's Atmos. But I'm gonna buy now the ticket. Okay. Oh yan. Eye level. I want eye level.
One on the middle.
Yan, sa gitna.
Sige po. 12.
Oh,
350 na lang.
oh my gosh, 350 from 500. Oh my God. So lucky. Thank you, Maricardo. Oh my God, thank you so much. I'm so happy. You made my day complete.
Always naman kayo.
Thank you. Hold on. Nung nakaraan, nag-watch din ako ng...
Lagi
Ano
ko
yun?
na kayo nakikita.
Ano ba yung winatch ko? Yung Bring Her Back, tsaka I Know What You Did Last Summer. Oh my gosh. Hold on, guys.
Lahat na, sir?
Sorry.
Sir.
So, I had a discount, guys and girls. Maricar, thank you once again. So, guys and girls, I'm gonna watch tomorrow.